So let's look at the structure of a dwelling policy. This is pretty much similar to a homeowner's policy. They use the same outline. First thing you're going to have is the declaration page, the deck page, like we saw on the last slide. You have the insuring agreement. Then you drop down into the definition section where they define specific words in the policy. So anything in the definition section, if it's used elsewhere in the policy, you have to use the definition that's in the definition section. That's what it's there for. Covered. Then you have your coverages: coverage A, coverage B, C, D, and E. Your dwelling, other structures, personal property, fair rental value, and your ALE, your additional living expenses. It's going to list the perils you're insured against. It's going to have general exclusions. You're going to have your conditions and endorsements. You may see some of these buried up underneath. They may go to coverage A, and then you'll see the perils, exclusions, conditions, endorsements, but into a little bit more detail on the debris removal. As we stated before, coverage applies if a covered peril under the policy caused damage to the insured property and results in debris. And this debris can be anything. The easiest thing to think of is like a fence. If your fence was blown down and damaged and you had to replace it with a new fence, the debris removal is, the cost it takes to take the old fence out